In this video, I will discuss about how to identify the influential observation in your dataset. Suppose you are dealing with the datasets and there is just so many instances is there. I mean, input is there. I mean, row is there. So all of the row is not good for your model. Suppose your model might be helpful if you removed any particular row. So which row will be removed, you don't know. It can be determined by using the statistics. This is things called influential observation. Influential means to identify the rows that is not helpful for your model, and if you removed it, that is good for your model. So let's get started to understand and determine the influential observations. To do these things, I'm giving this commented line that identify observation and followed by giving the name that identifying the following decisions. I'm directly making a model, so model is taking linear regression model, and the linear regressions model taking air quality data. Okay, air quality data set I'm taking, and I'm using the data frame. Actually the data frame which will be input like temperature. Okay, temperature, and with that I want to make a model of response variable that air quality data set, and the data frame for response variable and use which there is so many. Suppose wind. Okay, fine, wind is there. So I've been making this model. I got the my regressions line, linear regressions model. So far it's good. Now you should have to find the influence. That's the simple command that influence you give this here and followed by measure. Sorry, yeah, m. So it will give the complete idea which of the data frames are not good. Those of the data frame are not good, it will become as asterisk. So yeah, my result is comment here. Now see the value. Actually the values is like this. Sorry, yeah. So it started, sorry, yeah, it started from here. Actually you should have to find the rightmost value. Actually this is less space, that's why my rightmost values come at here, which will be the name as like this, which will be the name of INF, influence. So if any influence with come as asterisk values, that you can pretty much sure that observation is not good. Like 9 number observation is not good. If you remove the 9 number observation or 9 number row from your data, it will be good for your model and model accuracy will be improved. Like others thing will become as a star, 1 star, like 21, 22, those are influence, 27 also influence, and followed by 80, sorry, 48, those are influence. Like this all the data set, those are influence, it will become as asterisks. I mean those are not useful. If you remove it, it will be good for your model. Hope you have understand. Please guys, I have a kind request to you, please subscribe, like my videos, because to my motivation inspirations only from you. If you have a comment query, or if you have a doubt, or if you need the code, please put your comment query at the comment sections below. And either you can reach to me via my mail that will get in the my smart polos channel by identifying that you are a robot or not. After that you can get my mail app from there. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.